viewers, welcome to Kamsi Space, and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. In Kamsi Space, we make food recipes, blog and lifestyle from Lagos, Nigeria. Wow, are you a first timer in this channel? You are highly welcome. Hope you have subscribed. If you have not, please hit the subscription button below. Subscribe, comment, like and share. All right, in this video I want to show you how to make chicken yam pepper soup. In my dialect we call it jimiroko. So follow me, let's do it together. I'm using chicken. I always prefer to use the home-raised chicken. Yeah, why? Because their meat is tougher and they have less fat and they are tasty as well. I'm also using yam. This is dry yam. First, I'm going to peel it and soak it in the water with salt for I think for 20 minutes before I will get the chicken ready. It will be softened to cook. Ground crayfish. This crayfish, I like it because it adds a deeper depth of flavor to the soup. Black pepper, salt to taste, ginger root and garlic cloves, scent leaf. This scent leaf gives the soup a nice aroma. Seasoning, I'm adding this yellow pepper. I like the flavor it gives in a soup. So let's get started. Today we are going to have a drama.
What kind of chicken is this one? Nico's fire. Nico's fire.
I wash the meat. I've transferred it to the pot. I'm adding onion, seasoning, this is chicken seasoning, and salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly. Yeah, and put it on heat for 5 minutes. While the chicken is on heat, I'll start to peel the scent leaf. After 5 minutes, now I have to add the chopped yam to it. Yeah, why I'm adding this yam at this point, because I'm using old yam. You know, old yam is always strong. So I'm putting it so that before the chicken will get done, it will be soft enough to bite. So after that we add water. Add enough water, that'll be okay. And allow it for some minutes before you start adding other ingredients. Yeah, I'm slicing the yellow pepper. I'm using chili pepper, so I just want to put this yellow pepper because of the aroma. I must put yellow pepper. Particularly these big ones, I prefer this one because it's the one that gives enough aroma I want. Those small ones doesn't give me the aroma I want. Yeah, after 10 minutes, add other ingredients. The scent leaf is the last thing you will put. I'm going to put the yellow pepper. So allow the chicken and the yam to cook together till soft. Now add the scent leaf. That's the last thing. Allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. The chicken yam pepper soup is ready to whop. Yeah. The chicken yam pepper soup is ready. So guys, will you be trying it? If so, please do let me know how you get it in the comment section. So I come to end this video here. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.